I'm about to share 7 quick and easy side hustles for anyone over 50. Now, these hustles, they're ideal because they offer flexibility, they require no special skills, and they have low barriers to entry. And of course, you can keep your 9 to 5. Now, whether you're looking for extra income or maybe you want a way to stay active, these side hustles make it simple to get started and to start earning. They also play to our strengths that many of us have, like we're reliable, we have experience, and we're professional. I'm going to reveal all 7 quick and easy side hustles right after this break. Welcome back to Over 50 TV. My name is Lou Reyes. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 7 quick and easy side hustles for anyone over 50. Now, these are great gigs. They're great gigs that could also offer a fantastic opportunity to build a long-lasting income stream. So they're not just necessarily gigs that could earn you some quick cash. No, you could take them, if this is what you decide to do, you could take them, build them up, and build that long-lasting income stream. So now let's dive into our side hustle number 1. Restoring and flipping used furniture. This is number 1. I'm sure many of you out there have seen on Instagram or maybe Facebook or maybe even on some other platform, some other social media platform that you watch. You've seen folks doing this and they're making money. And this side hustle just involves refurbishing and reselling furniture. And often this furniture, the furniture that they find is cheap or it is even free. And selling it, they're selling it for a big profit. You know, older adults, I believe, are ideal for this gig because it combines with creativity and resourcefulness. And many people over 50 have the patience that's needed to restore furniture. It also offers flexibility, allowing you to work at your own pace and to build a fun, profitable hobby. Now, 3 platforms that you can use to sell this furniture are Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and Instagram. Excuse me for jumping in here like this, but I've got something that can really help you. If you're serious about starting your own business, then check out my Side Hustle Starter Kit, my video edition, and 8 simple, easy-to-follow videos. I'll walk you through the essential steps that you need to take to launch your business from scratch for a one-time fee of just $39. This kit's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and it'll get you up and running fast. Just click on the link in the description box to learn more and get started today. Tour guide for local experiences in your city, in your area. Now, I'll bet many of you never even thought of this gig, but as a local tour guide, you can create experiences based on your knowledge of the area. You can do historical tours, or maybe you do a unique cultural experience like showing someone or taking on them on a tour of museums in your area. And this gig, I think it's perfect for people over 50 because it leverages our unique life experiences. Plus, it leverages our local knowledge, and it allows us to interact with tourists. It's especially appealing for those folks who love sharing stories and meeting new people, and it provides what I think is a very enjoyable way to stay active. Now, 2 platforms that you can use to find tour guide gigs are Airbnb Experiences and Tours by Locals. Selling items online. This is number 3. Now, I do know this is no revelation. Many of you out there have heard about selling items online. I hasten to say that many of you have probably heard about it but dismissed it right away. But it is a quick and it is an easy side hustle for anybody who's over 50. You know, selling unused items or finding deals at thrift stores to resell online is just a straightforward way to earn extra cash. And I think this hustle, it's ideal for people over 50 because it taps into our skills, our organizational skills, our attention to detail, and our ability to get a good deal, to buy low and to sell high. Now, this gig is also flexible. You can work at your own pace and you can enjoy the thrill of turning clutter into profit. Now, 2 popular online selling platforms many of us have already heard about these platforms is eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Now, you could also sell at flea markets. A neighbor of mine goes out on a weekend every Saturday morning, and what she tells me is, Lou, I made about $300 today. I made $200 today. Sometimes she makes even more than that. But consider consider this side hustle, selling items online. House sitting. This is number 4 on my list today. You know, house sitting involves taking care of someone's home while they're away, and I don't really have to dive too deep into defining it. I think we all know we'll be just checking somebody's mail, or maybe we're watering their plants or feeding their pets. I believe this. Homeowners trust older house sitters because we bring experience, and we're responsible, and we're trustworthy. And we can do this during vacation times, or maybe over the holidays when I think that demand is really, really needed. But I also want to say this. Probably some of us out there, maybe you've thought about it, but you didn't know where to go to find a gig like this. Well, check out this website. It's called housesitter.com, and it's house sitting jobs. Check out that website. I'll put a link to it in the description box. Online surveys or participating in focus groups. Now, this side hustle lets you earn cash from the comfort of your home. And from the comments I've gotten in the past when I've recommended this side hustle, folks have said, hey, Lou, it's a lot of work. I don't make a lot of money. But I always say, well, you're doing it from the comfort of your home. You're doing it at your dining room table, or maybe you're sitting on your sofa and you're taking a survey between maybe when a commercial comes on when you're watching television. So it's a way to make some easy cash. And you know, many companies, they do want input from older adults because they want feedback from a wider range of demographic. And while the pay per survey, as I said, it's fairly modest, participating in multiple surveys or in a focus group, it can add up to a solid side income without requiring any special skills. Now, there's 3 platforms that I'm familiar with, platforms where you can take these surveys. One's called Survey Junkie. Another one is called Respondent. And then there's my favorite, it's Prime Opinion Online Surveys. I've got a link in the description box. I want to make sure I mention that I am an affiliate of it. But you can check it out for yourself. But I do know this. These are solid platforms for you to earn some extra income. Pet sitting or dog walking. This is number 6 on my list. If you love animals, this is an enjoyable way to make some extra cash. You know, pet sitting or dog walking, it requires no specialized skills. You just want to be or should be reliable, and you've got to be kind to the animals, which, hey, if you love animals, of course you're going to be kind. But, you know, many people, retirees, somebody who's over 50 years old, they enjoy this work because it keeps them active. It keeps them connected with others, and it lets them or allows them to make some good money. You can set your own schedule with this, but here's what I like. You can take on as many clients as you need to. So if you want to make a little bit of money, you know what, take on a client or 2. If you want a lot more money, take on more clients. Now, a couple platforms that you can use to get started with this side hustle are rover.com, petsitter.com, and another one is called wagwalking.com. And a lot of folks refer to wagwalking.com as WAG. You'll see that on the website. But either way, these are 3 great platforms that allow you to make extra money, to earn extra money, if you love pets. Working for a retailer. This is number 7 on my list. And the only reason this is on my list is because I know that retail during the holiday season, which is coming up, I know that many retailers they like to hire part-time or seasonal workers, seasonal employees. As I said, especially around the holidays, I think this gig, it's not bad for people over 50 because it does offer us a flexible schedule for the most part. It gives you social interaction. If that's what you want. But retailers, from what I have seen, they often value mature employees because they know usually have great customer service skills. They know we're patient, but they also know that we are reliable. I also believe, from what I've seen, I know it's a low-stress way to stay active, and I know it's a good way to earn some extra cash. You may not get rich doing it, but if you're looking for a gig, maybe especially during the holidays, or if you want to extend and work throughout the year, you can do that. It does offer, this kind of a gig does offer some employee discounts. Usually, you get some other perks. Now, the highest-rated retailer to work for, from what I found in my research, is Wegmans Food Markets. I've not worked there. I can't give you any firsthand experience, but I know it's highly ranked. Now, 2 other retailers that are also highly ranked are Tommy Bahama, and the second one or maybe I should say the third one. I won't pronounce this properly, I'm sure of it, but it's anthropology. I think that's how you say it. Both are highly ranked by Newsweek, but I always will suggest that you do your own research. Well, there you go, my friends. I just shared with you 7 quick and easy side hustles for anyone over 50. I like these side hustles for the most part. I like the top 6. The last one, number 7, which is retail. It's a gig that a lot of us will take because we want to make some extra cash. We want that flexible schedule, and maybe also we want to get some discounts that I think could be valuable for us if we're going to be saving money. Why not? But they're all good side hustles. And if you do want any information on any of them, please check my description box. I'll have some links in there that'll help you to get more information or to find more information on each one of them. If you're inclined, subscribe to my channel, especially if you're somebody who wants to learn about other great ways to earn money. Well, like I said, that's all I got for you. And as I always say, have a great day, everybody.